What up, y'all? So it's January 25th. It's snowing outside today. It's been snowing all morning, non-stop. I'm in Chicago. Just from the head to the store. It's hard for me to stay stuck in the house all day. So I gotta get out. Cause I get bored being in the house, so I'm gonna come out and go where I need to go. But damn, it's just been snowing all goddamn day, non-stop. And they say it don't supposed to start snowing, I think, to maybe 4 or 5. Not sure how many inches we supposed to get. But I can't wait till it's all over with and when it clear back up. I'll be glad. Y'all be safe. Take care.